artists. Today, we're going to have a blast drawing a super cool fishbowl. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. First, grab your trusty compass and draw a circle, but not all the way around. Leave a little gap. Perfect. Now, carefully trace that circle from your sketch. Next, we're going to close up the upper part with two straight lines. 1 and 2. Now, let's create some pebbles. Draw round ovals all around the bottom of your bowl. They'll look just like the real deal. Now, it's fishy time. Draw a fish shape at an angle and connect it with some curvy lines. Add a cute tail, a curvy line for its mouth, and a big, expressive eye. Looking good, fishy. Don't forget to give your fishy some company by drawing a few more curves to make its body interesting. The more curves, the more fun. Oh, what's that? Bubbles. Now, let's add some wavy water plants. So pretty. Time to add some color to our world. Fill in the pebbles with a dark gray, but leave a part of them empty. Fill the rest with a light gray. And here's the secret sauce. Trace the pebble shapes with black to make them look real and pop. Use a light green color and make them swish and swirl at the bottom. So pretty! For our fishy friend, I'm using sunny yellow and bright orange, but you can choose any colors you like. Make it as colorful as your imagination. The water in your bowl should be sky blue. Give it a nice, even coat. Let's finish those bubbles by coloring them with light blue and then a darker blue outline. They look like they're floating in the water, don't they? And there you have it, your fishbowl masterpiece is ready. Voila! Now, you can proudly show off your awesome drawing skills. Keep having fun and keep on drawing, my young Picassos. See you in the next adventure.